Hi guys, welcome to Shoaib Learning Studio. I hope you are doing good. In this video we will see how we clone or duplicate a person. We will start with how we can replace a person in a video. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to make a duplicate clip. Hold down the Alt key, then drag the clip. Go to Effects and type in Flip. Here we need to apply horizontal flip to the duplicate clip. Simply drag it and apply on the clip. Now select the duplicate clip and under Effect Control we have Pen tool in opacity. Now using the pen tool, draw a mask over the area which you want to keep. From here you can zoom in for precise selection. You can also move up or down using this scroll bar like this. If you want to scroll left or right, then using this bottom scroll bar you can move left or right. Using the pen tool, let's mark selection. You can move these handles to change their position. If you press the H key on your keyboard, hand tool will appear. Now you can drag anywhere you want to. Press P key to move the pen tool again. We will include this laptop shadow so it looks more realistic. Let's zoom out to draw free selection outside. That's our basic masking result. There are a couple of things here that we need to adjust. Select the mask under opacity and let's remove this second laptop. Drag the points to cover the area. You can zoom in to see clearly. Flowers does not seem to look realistic. Let's adjust that as well. Now here is the final result. Here is another example. This video size is bigger than the frame size. Right click on the clip and select scale to frame size. Now it fits inside our video frame. Make a duplicate clip. Hold down the Alt key, then drag the clip. Go to Effects and type in Flip. Here we need to apply horizontal flip to the duplicate clip. Simply drag it and apply it on the clip. Select the duplicate clip. Lower the opacity so you can see both clips. Select Free Draw Bezier tool and draw a mask on the clip. Zoom out to draw a rough mask outside. If there is any wrong point marked, press Ctrl+Z to undo. We are almost done drawing mask. Change the opacity back to 100%. Here is the final video preview. Let's see another example. Make a duplicate clip. Hold down the Alt key, then drag the clip. Go to Effects and type in Flip. Here we need to apply horizontal flip to the duplicate clip. Simply drag it and apply it on the clip. Go to Effect Controls and select the duplicate clip. Lower the opacity to 60% so you can see both clips. As you can see now, our subject is overlapping in the video. We need to adjust our subject position so it does not overlap. We need to adjust it in such a way so that the hands in both clips do not overlap or touch with each other. Select the duplicate clip and change its position. We need to move it to the left until it reaches almost the edges. Let's make it even by 560. Then select the other clip and similarly change its position, but to the right this time. Fingers are slightly touching each other, so let's change the position a little more so there is a little gap between the fingers. Now it looks better. Let me zoom in to show you. Change the zoom back to 100% and select Free Draw Bezier tool and draw a mask on the clip. Zoom in to draw between the fingers. Press the tilde key to view the panel in full screen. Let me quickly draw the mask now. Change the zoom back to fit. Increase mask feather and mask expansion for smooth edges. Change the opacity back to 100%. Let's play the video to see the result. There is a line in the center. Let me zoom to show you. Here you can see it. We can remove it by increasing mask feather. I am increasing mask expansion as well for a more realistic look. Now it looks good. Here is the final result. I hope you like the video, so do like and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. See you in another video. Thank you.